Good afternoon, Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. We got pumps across the board. If you look, you got Bitcoin 4.5%, XRP 1, XLM's not really doing anything yet. The Litecoin's up 5%. You see, we got some nice pumps going across the board. And we're gonna start here real quick with a quick trading alert. We got our old friend Ethereum Classic, and we've had about a 1% pump. But if we look at Ethereum Classic and try to draw some support and resistance, bullshit, so you can see we've had a lot of support and resistance up along that line right there, right? We'll fade that into the background. We'll even change the color. And then we got our little horizontal industry exclusive right here. Major overhead resistance up there, right? I'll make that a little bit smaller, but you see that. And down here, we've been suppressed from our top with our industry exclusive measuring tool. Whatever jabroni was way up there, almost $200. We are 70% down, and we've been as low as 81% down. And now we're trying to establish a little bit of a bottom, but you could say this is with one more line, you could say it's a descending triangle, right? And you're about to come right back down here for another touch. Or you could say it's trying to build a W, and then if it breaks the neckline, which is this blue descending line, the targeted move would be up here. So we're going to watch this closely to see if we can get our industry exclusive drawing tool up again. Some volume candlesticks like this in green over the next day or two, over the weekend with some thin trading, and see if we can't get a little bit of a pop here in Ethereum Classic. And if it can do that from the point of the breakout, that would be a 32% pop. So we're going to keep an eye on that in Ethereum Classic. The XLM now is pumped a little bit. You can see it's coming up to the overhead resistance. If it can get up on top of this overhead support and resistance, let's clear some of this malarkey up. Got all kinds of noise back here. We're gonna clear this shit out for you real quick. But you got the same W, the double bottom right there. I'll have to get my shit together box after you broke out of this falling wedge. Now, if you can get a little bit of a volume pump and get over these two moving averages right there, the 25-day and the blue, which is the 50, it can pop. You can try to get up into these moving averages up here, which the green is the 200 and the red is the 100. And that would be up about 33 cents, right? So that would be a nice little pump if that could happen. That would be a 17% pump, right? So we'll keep an eye on that for you. And you can see you got your major overhead resistance where you're at now as we zoom in at about 28.25 cents. And you're trying to get some volume to push over that. You've been unsuccessful as we move into the 2-hour time frame. And you're running up against it again. We'll see if you can't get a little pop there. If you don't get a pop, you're coming right where that arrow's pointed to. You're going to start trading back down to 19 cents if you can't get a pop up in there and do something like that, right? Like, subscribe, and share. Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.